Welcome to this video on Java control structures, where we explore the essential logic of decision-making and loops. Control structures allow your programs to make choices and repeat actions, providing the intelligence behind everything, from simple scripts to complex systems. Control structures direct the flow of execution in your code. They enable a program to decide what to do, when to do it, and how many times to repeat a task. This video covers three main types: selection for decision-making, iteration for repetition, and jump statements for flow control. Control structures are the foundation of practical programming. They turn static code into dynamic systems that can handle logic, such as grading students, processing billing discounts, or managing game states. By using these structures, you reduce code repetition and improve overall maintainability. Selection statements allow your code to choose different paths based on conditions. At the core is the Boolean expression, which evaluates to true or false. Using logical operators like AND, OR, and NOT, you can build complex conditions to guide your program's path. Here is a comparison of selection statements. The simple if is great for basic checks, while if-else provides two clear paths. The if-else-if ladder handles multiple sequential conditions, and switch is an efficient, readable choice for comparing a single variable against many fixed values. This flowchart illustrates how different selection statements work. From the simple branching of an if statement to the multi-path decision logic of a switch structure, each visualizes how control flows based on your defined conditions. When implementing an if-else-if ladder, remember that conditions are checked from top to bottom, and only the first true condition executes. In contrast, switch statements use integral expressions to select matching cases, and you must use break to prevent unintended fall-through. The quote if statement executes its block only when the condition is true. Adding an else block creates a mutually exclusive path, ensuring that either the if or the else block runs. Always use equals equals for comparison to avoid common assignment errors. An if-else-if ladder allows for more complex, range-based decisions. Nested selection, where one if statement is placed inside another, enables highly specific logic for more intricate problems, such as verifying multiple conditions before granting a result. The switch statement is ideal for command-driven input or fixed options. Remember that without a break statement, execution will fall through to the next case. Use switch for discrete equality checks and if-else-if for ranges or complex logical conditions. Iterative constructs or loops are essential for repeating tasks efficiently. The for loop is best for fixed counts, the while loop for unknown counts, and the do-while loop ensures that code runs at least once before the condition is checked. Selecting the right loop is crucial. The for loop offers compact syntax for known iterations. The while loop is highly flexible, but requires manual management of the loop variable. The do-while loop guarantees at least one execution, making it perfect for input validation and menu systems. The for loop is an entry-controlled structure that executes initialization, test, body, and update in order. It is ideal for traversing arrays or counting. Always watch for off-by-one errors by carefully checking your starting point, ending condition, and increment operators. The while loop is perfect when the number of iterations is unknown, such as reading data, until a sentinel value is reached. Because it is entry-controlled, the body may never run if the condition is initially false. Always ensure your update statement eventually makes the condition false. Finally, the do-while loop is exit-controlled, meaning it performs the body at least once. This is excellent for menus or retry prompts. A key detail: don't forget the mandatory semicolon after the while condition. Thank you for watching this guide to Java control structures. We wrap up with jump statements like break and continue, which give you finer control over your loops. Use break to terminate a loop or switch immediately, and continue to skip the current iteration and jump ahead. Labeled jump statements offer even more precision when working with nested loops. Mastering control structures is about moving beyond syntax to thinking like a programmer. Whether using selection for decisions or loops for automation, you are building the foundation for complex software. Keep experimenting, practice consistently, and you will gain the power to turn your ideas into meaningful working solutions.